Welcome back to the car collection, where muscle meets modern edge and attitude is mandatory. Today we're tearing into the 2026 Camaro SS, the boldest and most tech-savvy take yet on an American icon.
This isn't a nostalgia ride, it's a next-gen bruiser that packs a familiar roar in an electrified svelte exterior.
Under that sculpted hood sits a 6.2-liter LT2 V8, now married to a mild hybrid system that keeps the thunder alive. Chevy tuned it to the tune of 495 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque, with millisecond electric assist to sharpen response and efficiency.
EVsinside.com.
That means classic V8 noise and character, but with liftoff torque and better fuel numbers. It blasts from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3.9 seconds, hitting over 180 miles per hour real muscle car numbers with modern precision. It rolls on 20-inch forged wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S rubber, grips the tarmac with Brembo brakes up front, and rides on adaptive dampers that grip tight and balance brutal acceleration with road composure.
EVsinside.com.
Power comes through your choice of a slick 6-speed manual or a 10-speed auto, so it suits purists and daily drivers alike. On the outside, it's aggressive in all the right ways: a reworked grille, slim LED headlights, functional hood vents, a ducktail spoiler, and a beef diffuser that turns air into downforce. No fluff, just intent. Inside is equally focused: a driver-centric cockpit with bolstered seats, a 12.3-inch digital gauge display, and a 15-inch Chevrolet Infotainment 5 touchscreen loaded with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and premium Bose audio. Available comfort features include heated/ventilated seating, HUD, wireless charging, and full suite of driver assistance tech. Reddit users who've lived with the C8 platform Camaro say it delivers the track car thrill while surviving daily life, with one owner noting, "It soaks up the miles. 32 miles per gallon on a 400-mile road trip even as it can rip through corners." Yes, visibility and trunk space remain Camaro quirks, but fans argue you get used to it, much like they fell in love with its performance-first DNA. Starting around $50,000, fully loaded versions climb towards $70,000, offering a serious performance bargain with cutting-edge tech. This isn't a focus-grouped crossover, it's a raw, visceral statement on four wheels. So here's the real question: do you chase the latest horsepower war with the Camaro SS, or does the Mustang or Challenger pull harder on your heartstrings? Drop your take in the comments. If you live for that V8 soundtrack, throttle feedback, and no compromise performance, hit like, smash subscribe, and ring that bell. This is the Car Collection, and we don't just review cars. We interrogate them until they give up their soul.
Catch you in the next one.